Hello! To take macro pictures on the Redmi Note 14, all you have to do is simply, as you're in the camera application, you have to press this arrow on top to eject the menu, and right here we have the macro mode, so we simply press on it, and right now we are being switched to the macro lens, and we simply, as we can see, the macro lens are pretty. We have to take very close pictures with the macro lens, and let me just take this picture of this pen drive right here. These pictures needs to be really closed one, and yeah, actually I'm not sure if you can use the regular flash because the results are not satisfying. It actually depends what you're photographing, but yeah, the lens needs to be very close, and they are kind of wide, as you can see. They are kind of wide lens, and the pictures will be detailed, will have the best focus when you're holding the phone close to the target you want to take a picture of. So yeah, basically that's it. Thank you for watching.